Students, let us understand the difference between mass and weight. First, let us see what is mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in the object. The SI unit of mass is kg. Mass is a scalar quantity. Its value is same everywhere. Its value does not change even when we go to another planet. According to Newton's first law, it is the measure of the inertia of an object. Higher the mass, higher is the inertia. Weight. The weight of an object is defined as the force with which the earth attracts the object. The force F on an object of mass m on the surface of the earth can be written using the force equation F equal to ma as weight W is equal to F is equal to mg, where g is acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to capital G capital M upon r square. Weight being a force, its SI unit is Newton. Also, weight being a force, it has direction, it is a vector quantity and its direction is towards the center of the earth. As the value of g is not same everywhere, the weight of an object changes from place to place, though its mass is constant everywhere. Colloquially, we use weight for both mass and weight and measure the weight in kilograms, which is the unit of mass. But in scientific language, when we say that Rajiv's weight is 75 kg, we are talking about Rajiv's mass. What we mean is that Rajiv's weight is equal to the gravitational force on 75 kg mass. As Rajiv's mass is 75 kg, his weight on earth is F equal to mg is equal to 75 into 9.8 is equal to 735 Newton. The weight of 1 kg mass is 1 into 9.8 is equal to 9.8 Newton. Our weighing machines tell us the mass. The two scale balances in shops compare two weights, that is two masses. Use your brain power. Will your weight remain constant as you go above the surface of the earth? My weight will not remain constant as I go above the surface of the earth. As we go above the surface of the earth, our weight will go on decreasing. Let us solve a numerical. If a person weighs 750 Newton on earth, how much would be his weight on the moon, given that moon's mass is 1 upon 81 of that of the earth and its radius is 1 upon 3.7 of that of the earth. So it is given weight on the earth is 750 Newton. Ratio of mass of the earth to mass of the moon is equal to me upon mm is equal to 81. Ratio of radius of earth to radius of moon is equal to Re upon Rm is equal to 3.7. Let small m be the mass of the person. Weight on the earth, weight of the person on earth is 750 Newton. Therefore, mg is equal to 750 is equal to m capital G me upon Re square. Small g has been written as capital G capital Me upon Re square. So small m is equal to 750 Re square upon Gme. Weight on moon is mgmm upon Rm square. So writing 750 Re square upon Gme for small m, we get weight on moon is 750 Re square upon Gme into Gmm upon Rm square. Cancelling capital G from numerator and denominator, we get 750 Re square upon Rm square into mm upon Me. Put all the values and we get weight on the moon is 126.8 Newton. Thus weight on the moon is nearly 1 upon 6th of the weight on the earth. We can write weight on the moon as mgm, as gm is the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Thus gm is 1 upon 6th of the g on the earth, that is acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1 upon 6th of the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1 upon 6th of the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. Children, note that we are using the word gravity for moon also. I had told you that gravity is used for the earth, but the word gravity is used when we have a big body, huge body and a small body. When we are on the surface of the moon, moon is the satellite of the earth. There, moon is a big body, huge body, and we are a small body. So we use the word gravity. We can use the word gravity for moon also. So gravity is a specific case. It is to be used when one body is huge and the other body is small. Whereas gravitation is a universal case. For using the word gravitation, we don't have to see whether the body is big or small. It can be used anywhere, everywhere, between any two bodies that have mass. So we can also use the word gravity for any other planet. Any other planet that has atmosphere, of course, has gravity. That planet is huge in size. So if we go to any other planet, we can use the word gravity for that planet also, because gravity is a specific case. In that case, that planet will be a huge body and we are a small body. So gravity of that planet. So gravity is to be used when one body is huge and the other body is small. But gravitation is used between any two bodies that have mass, and we don't have to see whether the body is big or small. We are not concerned about their sizes. So the universal the law of gravitation can be used anywhere. It is a universal case, whereas gravity is a specific case. So word gravitation. So students, I think as you watched this video, you must have understood the difference between mass and weight. So I would like to give you a small homework. Your homework for today is write down the differences between mass and weight on your own. So differentiate between mass and weight. This is your homework for today. So stay at home, stay safe and enjoy studying. Thank you.